Hi everyone, with a new demo from Zapier Central. This time is for parents. I'm not a parent myself, but I have parent friends, and lately there is a trend about AI use cases for parents. And I thought about how can I help you parents make your everyday life easier with your kids by utilizing Zapier Central to automate some of the things. And a use case we're going to see today is how you can automate the schedule of your children athletics. Let's say your daughter or your son plays football or soccer or any other sport in the school, and you need to track the matches that or the trainings that they have to join every week, but without going all the time back and forth to the school schedule. So I will show you what I created here. I took the school that my friend's son is going, which is Pascack Valley High School. It's in New Jersey. And in their website, they have the schedule for the whole week for every sport. My friend's son is playing soccer in the boys JV team, and we want to track every match of his son every week. How are we going to do that? So let's go straight to Zapier Central. And to achieve that, you need to create a new bot, a new assistant, call it weekly athletics schedule. And you can also put some description. We don't need any instructions here because we want to build a weekly automation. And to do that, we will need a behavior. Behaviors are automated actions for an assistant. And we're going to create a behavior. And I have copied the instructions already, so we can save time from typing, and I will paste it here. The instructions are clear. They say, you are my personal school activity assistant, and I want you to do the following every Sunday. I set it on Sunday so you can have the whole week ahead. I want to pull the schedule of my son's high school every Sunday. If there is an event at my son's team playing or has a training, then add the event to my calendar. And to do that, we provide the link to the assistant, which is this link here. And we also give some rules so the bot knows what to do. So we tell it to replace the date in the URL, which is this one, every week with a current date. And we also let it know the team that we need to follow. You can put whatever you like here. In my case, I put the team name, Soccer Boys JV, so it knows what to track from the schedule. And in order for that to execute, we need to add the trigger, which is every Sunday, every week. And then we choose the day of Sunday. And then let's say maybe at 10:30. Add a trigger. So every Sunday at 10:30, this automation will run. But before we finish, we need to give it access to our calendar because we want to see the event there. So we're gonna do Google Calendar, create a detailed event. And I already have, we choose the account. And under the account, you can leave it like this, or you can specify the calendar, the specific calendar you want. I have created a soccer matches calendar. And we add the action. We're almost ready, but we need to test that it works. So let's test the behavior. It now will try to execute as it is Sunday. And now is visiting the website, the one we defined here. It's scraping the whole schedule. Fetched. So within the schedule, it found that on Wednesday, we have a boys JV match at 4:15 p.m. And now it's preparing the event and asking me if I want to create. It is asking me because we are in a test environment now, we're testing the behavior, and I will say yes. With the yes, it is going to my Google Calendar and create the event. Let's wait some seconds. Drum roll. Yep. Let's visit the calendar to see if it's there. And it's there. Wednesday, September 4th at 4:15, we have a match. Beautiful. And before we finish, we need to enable the behavior here by pressing on. And now every Sunday, the bot will go, our assistant will go to the website, pull all the matches for the week, and go straight to our calendar. So we're ready for our week of parenting. Thank you so much. I hope you can find also your own automations within Zapier Central. Bye.